One great thing about YouTube's algorithm is it tells you the kind of people who follow you and the age group that follows you. And my YouTube algorithm tells me that I am most followed by people from the age group of 18 to 23. So that means we are going back to college. Hi everyone, I'm Jasmine. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do like the top 10 essentials that you need if you're a college student. I'm going to try and cover wardrobe, makeup, your bag, what you need to eat, everything. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's jazz it up. So I'm quickly going to cover your wardrobe first, like the essentials you need, like 2 3 things that you need if you're a college student. On the sides of your screen I will pop references. First thing, very important, you need a white shirt or a black shirt. A white shirt is much more better, I think, because if you're giving presentations, like I'm a graduate in English literature and I have completed my graduation from Mithibai College. And if you guys know about Mithibai, there are so many presentations and they're so strict about the attendance. Once I just wore my t-shirt and jeans, like normal college clothes, and I gave my presentation, and the teacher actually told me like, I'm deducting your marks for your appearance because you need to present your presentations in a certain way. So make sure that you have a white shirt, also black blazer. So even if you're wearing like a spaghetti inside, or if you're wearing a t-shirt, if you put on the blazer and just black pants, you will look formal. So a white shirt, black pants, blue pants, and black blazer, extremely important. One more thing, this is like, this you guys are going to connect with. So my lecture started at 6:50 a.m. in the morning, and if you know Mithibai NMIMS, attendance is a must. Like my attendance was 94%, otherwise they would call your parents and all. So I was like, screw it, let's just attend college. And it was actually fun also. So 6:50 a.m. in the morning would be my first lecture, and my classroom had like 4 huge ass ACs, and I would feel so cold. So make sure that you have one or two sweatshirts that are really cool and oversized and comfortable. So even if you want to sit, study, write, sleep, you can do it in peace. Like cool pair of track pants or joggers, like Nike, Adidas, H&M, Zara, so that I would just wear my socks, my joggers, my sweatshirt, and I would sit around. So I would tie my hair in a bun, and I could even like concentrate on the lectures. And if I you want to sleep or something, you can do that. So these are like the wardrobe essentials that you need. So the next thing that's extremely important is your bottle of water. This right here is a Stanley. It has to be 1 liter because I would wake up in the morning, not eat anything. So I would make sure that I have my bottle of water, so you can keep yourself hydrated throughout your lectures, throughout the day, and you don't have to drink water from here or there or spend money on water. And once you're hydrated, you feel more awake, you feel more energized, your skin is better. So make sure that you carry your bottle of water with you at all times. Now, let's get to the most interesting part, my college bag. My bag is literally my home. Like, I carry my house in this, my life in this, all of my belongings in this. You need like a huge bag or a bag that is extremely spacious. You don't want to be like hoity toity and just show off your cute little bags, because that is not going to work. So make sure you have a bag that is going to have a lot of space and that has a very um, solid sling and a support. So I'm actually going to show you how spacious my bag is. Also, this one is a tote bag by Marc Jacobs, and I think they have the best tote bags. So now that you guys have seen how spacious my bag is, I'm going to show you guys what is in the bag and what are the essentials that you need if you're a college student. First things first, always a notebook. I always prefer like a vibrant color or any cover page that I like, so that it really motivates me. Also, I'm someone who writes a lot, so a notebook is extremely important. Also, make sure you have notebooks that have dividers in them, so you can divide each subject. Like I had one for English, then I had one for sociology, I had one for psychology. So I have one book that has sections, and that I can write all my notes in. So it's really, really easy for me. If I, before my exams, I just need that one book and it has all of my notes in it. The next thing, obviously, stationery. You need your pen, you need your pencils. But one thing that I always carried with me were like colorful sketch pens, because I used to really like to highlight the important points. So during my examination, I wouldn't have to sit and read the entire textbook. I knew I was marking something in red, that means it's extremely important. If I made a star with a blue sketch pen, means I had to refer to it again. So make sure that you have colorful sketch pens or colorful pens, so that you can mark what is important. And whenever you have your test or your exams, you just have to open and refer to those important points. So a journal and like colorful sketch pens are extremely important. Now, I was a literature student and we did have our presentations, so it was extremely easy. if I made like notes in my laptop, but if you're doing like commerce or science and engineering, and you have like regular presentations, or you have to make sure that you type in a lot, so make sure that you have a laptop. So this one is my MacBook. You can have any laptop, and my bag is big enough to also make sure that the MacBook is safe inside. Or you can take a cover for the laptop, but a laptop is important if you do presentations. If not, you can totally just go with a notebook. Now the next thing that will come out of this bag is this cute little card holder. Now, I was not so fancy when I was in college. In fact, this is my first ever card holder. My brother gave this to me. So, this one is really special. So, as you can see, this has a lot of compartments in it. You can keep your card, you can keep your college ID, you can just keep your cash. I would get, how much would I get? I think I would get like 500 rupees per week when I was in college. So it would really help me. Like we would go to Bandra and we would have shawarma, and my college has like the best canteen, Mithiba, and outside also you get dosas. So for me, it would like suffice. Like I would be so happy. We would have dosas for 20 rupees. We would have vada pav, the Chinese Frankie, Carter's Blue Ka shawarma. So I really did not require this, but now I have a card holder, and now we have like all Gen Z kids. So a card holder is really handy. Keep your college ID, keep your ID card, your tickets, your money, anything that you want. So this is something that's really cool. Now I'm going to show you guys my main pouch. So this is called a wash bag. This is available on Amazon. I will leave a link below. Extremely affordable and very spacious. So I always had a pouch like this in my bag, and I'm going to show you guys what is in the pouch now. I'm so excited. It's like I want to wake up in the morning and go to college. We used to crib so much. Kaha subah subah ka lecture hai. You have to wake up and attendance. But it was the best time of my life. I remember making friends. I did not have friends in school. So once I reached college, I made so many good friends, and they're still my friends. Wake up in the morning, go to college, after that go to Prithvi Cafe, then come back, attend a lecture, then go out and eat and just have so much fun. I think those were the days that I still miss. So if you guys are in college and are watching me, just freaking enjoy this, because after this life gets like hectic. This pouch basically will have all the essentials that you need if you're a college student. Number one, always carry scrunchies, because if you feel hot, or if you want to write, or if you want to do something important, you can always tie your hair. You don't need your hair to come in your face all the time. So make sure that you have your scrunchies always. Next thing, and something that's really cute, is this hair brush. Now I always carried things that required less space, because I also have like cervical ka problem. So every time back pakad ke, books pakad ke, I would get really tired. So this is a comb that's really light, and just look at this. How cute! So make sure that you have a comb. So in case, if after college you have to go somewhere, you have to meet someone, you have to go for lunch, you guys have to go out, something, so you can just go to the washroom quickly, comb your hair, you have your scrunchie, you can just tie it into a bun and be really presentable. So now let's get to the makeup bit. Honestly, I did not apply makeup at all in college. Matlab, not at all. I had Vaseline with me as a lip balm, like nothing. I had no idea about makeup. I only started doing makeup once I was out of college, because honestly, your skin is still so sensitive. You're still young, you're growing, you don't need that kind of makeup. But now that I'm so much into makeup and I love makeup, so if I were to go back to college, these were the products that I would definitely apply. So if you feel like you need to cover some blemishes, just make sure you have a good concealer, and just very lightly conceal everything. You have no foundation at all, just with powder, and you're done. After that, one second, this, you can definitely take a blush. A blush is really important. So if you have presentations, or you're going out, or you just want to feel very fresh and your cheeks rosy, a blush is needed for sure. After that, like 100 lip products. You can definitely use your lip glosses. You can use like a really light lipstick or lip oils, that definitely help. Or best thing is this Laneige lip balm. Like it is the best thing in the world. So for college, if you feel like your lips are dehydrated, or you've just woken up in the morning but you like want glossy lips, just put on a lip balm and you guys are like good to go. That's it actually. And you can just have your beauty blender. So if you just feel like refreshing your face, just like dab it in water and you're sorted. I think we were going to do top 10, but I've kind of lost count, so that's fine. The next thing that I used to always take with me religiously are wet wipes. I don't know, but for some reason, I don't like using a sanitizer. Till the time I don't get the feeling of, something cleaning my hands, and I don't feel like, like the dirt, like if I don't see it, I don't feel like my hands are clean. Like with the sanitizer, if I have mud and I'm just using sanitizer and I'm wiping it, I feel I've made my hands more dirty. So I would always have wet wipes, to sort of just clean my neck and my hands and my face and just feel refreshed like in an instant. Next thing, obviously, AirPods now, but I had earphones. I still use earphones, if you want to avoid someone, if you have break between lectures, if your friends have not shown up, if you just want to relax. So headphones, earphones, AirPods are an absolute must. Now the next thing, extremely important, be it college bag, work bag, home bag, travel bag, mints. Okay, these are icebreaker watermelon flavor. I've been using them since my college days. I absolutely love them. If you want to feel refreshed, if you just want to feel like, you need like a fresh breath, like mints are a must and you must keep them in your bag always. After that, another thing that I would always carry were my electrolyte tablets, or something that would really help me, feel energized. I would be really drained because my lectures would start at 6:50 in the morning and they would go until 2 o'clock. So एक तो कभी कभी नींद पूरी नहीं होती थी. B, you would have to just like wake up in the morning, and without eating I would go to college, and then I would stay till afternoon, and AC all the time, and I had to keep writing. Like I would write all my notes down, whatever the teachers would dictate. So I would feel really drained, and there's no point having like crocins and paracetamols every time. So I would make sure that I have my electrolyte type tablets with me, and they would make me feel like really hydrated and energized like in an instant. So make sure that you have something like this in your college bag. After that, something that I cannot survive without, my perfume. This one is from YSL. This is a must. Like I love, love, love this perfume. Any deo, any perfume that you want, so that you don't want to smell. You want to smell fresh for yourself, for anyone who's sitting right next to you. Even if you have a plan after college, so if you have your comb, you have your scrunchie, you have a little bit of makeup, and you have your perfume, you have your mints, you're all set to go. And maybe like your pair of glasses or any sunglasses that you want. Like I would actually wear sunglasses. There's something I'm fond of wearing since like I was a kid, so I always carried my pair of glasses. But carry your chashmas if you want. Last but not the least, I used to be an overweight kid in college, and I started my diet back then. Like I started eating healthy. So in order to not binge eat or just eat anything available to me, I always carried my dry fruit ka little dabba from home. This is the love my mom would pack for me. So it always had like dry fruits like badam, pista, and dates, so that if I felt like, binge eating or really hungry, or my energy levels felt low, I would just pick out a dry fruit from this and I would eat. So, my loves, this was the final video. I tried to incorporate all the important things that you need if you're a college student. I just want to tell you guys that this is one of the best times of your life. I know there are exams and there can be stress and maybe like girl and boy issues, but trust me, life gets a little difficult after college. So, just enjoy this phase. Go to your canteen, eat, bunk lectures, go out, stay in lectures, study, get good grades, and just have fun and make college like a really, really good experience for you guys. I hope this video reaches you all, and I hope you guys like this. Let me know in the comments so that I can also relive my college days through you guys. I love you all, and see you all super soon.